All right, this is another 56-inch Home Decorators Collection Altura ceiling fan, and this is installed in the master bedroom of the new house that we're building. So this is basically, this would be my mom's bedroom in our house, and it's like I've already said, it's pretty similar design. But I'm gonna of course, I'm gonna do the tour here in a few weeks or whenever, so you guys can really see it. So there's the light. Whoa, kind of, so this is low. And this fan, actually, I just fixed it today. It wasn't working for quite a while. It was when I first put it up, it was working. And the one in the other bedroom behind me was working for about 2 days, and they both just went out. The receivers fried at exactly the same time. So it's kind of a weird scenario there, but anyway, we had to order a couple new receivers for these two. And now they're working again, so that's good. I just scraped my arm on the cabinet on the side panel. This had a slower low speed than the other one in the living room. There's medium. Can feel some air from it on medium. And here's high. This fan jerks around a lot when I change the speed on it. A little slight wobble to it. Maybe a little slower than the living room fan, but you know, still blows the breeze. And that's what it's supposed to do. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more fans.